Celebrities I saw while I was working on cruise ships. JoJo Siwa, she was so nice, she was always around and she was always talking to everybody. Catherine Tate from The Office, we watched one episode of The Office before every show, so we were very excited. I saw Kim and Kanye on one of our port days and they seemed really nice, and Kim is so tiny. Gabe from The Office, I saw him on one of our port days and I actually noticed the girl he was with first. She had impeccable style and it took a while for me to realize who he was.